Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to change Facebook profile picture without losing likes. To begin, ensure that you have the latest version of the Facebook app before opening it. If not, please update. Please visit your app store to verify and update it. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the Facebook icon to open the app. It's important to keep in mind that the following steps only apply to pictures that were previously set as your profile picture. Next, let's select our profile from the menu page by clicking on it. Click on your profile and click on your profile picture right here. And then, view profile picture. For example, I'm just going to swipe to the left and for example, I want to set this particular profile picture again without losing its likes. And as you can see, the current profile picture has 10 likes. Let's swipe down and close the window now. Click on the profile picture once again and select profile picture from the options. Once you have clicked on select profile picture, ensure that the picture you choose is from the profile picture section. If you choose from any other sections, you will lose your existing likes and the new profile picture will now show the same number of likes as before. Therefore, it is crucial to select only the photos from the album labeled Profile Pictures. Click on More to view all of your previous profile pictures. Since you want to choose the same profile picture without losing the existing likes, select it from the Profile Pictures album. Click on the desired profile picture and hit Save. You may also uncheck the button if you don't want to share the update on your newsfeed. But it is optional. After making your selection, click on Save. This should retain the existing likes on your profile picture. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.